goodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do.
Karibu nyumbani east to west, home is the best.
Hi love. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mapenzi, and if you're a returning subscriber, here's your daily keys. But if you see me looking away from the camera, I'm just looking at myself. Face beat or not, I still be looking fine. So how you doing? How you doing? But we're gonna watch Wendy Williams. Anyways, what are we doing today? I want to make some breakfast, and I just want to make a sandwich, but I want to make it as extra as possible. So yeah, let's make a sandwich together. Okay, I'm also filming for Instagram, Kamakawa Kamadawa. If you haven't followed me yet, what are you waiting for? Just go to Instagram, search Mapenzi's Captured Moments, and you'll see a lot of food, and you'll know that's me. Yeah, you should like go do it now. Yeah. Also subscribe. Juna Jam, just subscribe. No. I see you. We've been at 335 subscribers forever. So just subscribe. Thanks. I was waiting. So yeah, let's make some content.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. Really low. Take me high. Teach you all the summer love.
Flower bomb. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. You got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves a baton. Shawty, wear your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that word. I heard that she been on strike.
They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get rid on the bill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide, your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet, all the things you try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life, cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited, I don't wanna fight. Yeah. I figure out you figure out me, we go for different breeds. I'm following your lead, I ask you what you need, you say guaranteed.
It goes one by one, even two by two. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up one time, wind it back once more. Come, run, 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 run. Everybody move on.
Can you ride for me? Oh, baby. Rest for me. Can you take it to the top for me? Just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? Baby. Over me, oh baby. Rest for me. Can you take control for me? Just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're over me. Just wanna love you, baby, baby, baby. From the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. 'Cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like you don't know my name. But I swear, it feels like you don't know my name. Round and round we go. Will you ever know? Oh, baby, 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 I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And oh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like ooh.
You guys, hey. Can you? Okay, I'll have shown you by now, but evidence. This is evidence that I was here. That I'm the one who made it. Anyway, I just wanted to taste it on camera. I hope you're not hungry, people, because this channel is full of food. Ni moto. Like a hito. But neighbor in Nairobi, if you don't got a cuddle buddy, you can have hot sandwiches. Niko excited because imetokea like way better than I thought at the pictures, you guys. That's why I'm saying follow me on Mapenzi's captured moments on Instagram if you haven't yet, because you know, if you think right now what you're seeing is wait till you see Instagram. Okay, nimonga mob nikingoja cool down. Okay. Sijui nikula aje ndo muone. You know it's slapping when you do the happy dance. Anyway, yeah, imetokea poa. Thanks for watching. Do the necessary.
You don't know my name, and I swear it, baby, feels like ooh. You don't know my name. Round and round we go. Will you ever know me? Ooh. You don't know my name. Round we go. Oh. Will you ever know it? No, 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 no. No, no. Will you ever know it? No, 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 no. No, no. Will you ever know it?
Baby, let's get down tonight.
Let's make love tonight. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. 'Cause you do it right.
Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to know. Now I am strong because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, to like, comment, manze, and the best of all, subscribe. And you know, nini ako ka bell, kafinye, nimona hamjafinya, finye ni your bell, so that when I post videos, you don't miss out on all the awesome content that I have. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love to all of you.
Sakina